What I see here is that we have an open community discussing the beautiful, let's say, world of master data management, data quality. It's a very well organized event.
I'm really interested to understand how we can really share either competencies and also how to improve the data sharing, because I do believe that this is a very future capability that will help the company. Solution like this can help really to speed up your capability, make it more efficient and more secure and safe the result of your business.
What we really love is really the community. So exchanging data with other companies and really not reinventing the wheel again and again and again. Because what I see from all the other companies, it's the same issues, the same problems. And here really the big benefit is the exchange with other organizations.
People are willing to share experiences, ask questions, which are going a bit more in detail. And even though you could be competitors in business, but not on the area of best practices for master data.